Hi, let's discuss management versus administration. Management and administration are closely related concepts within an organization, but they have distinct roles and functions. Management involves strategically planning, organizing, coordinating, directing, and controlling activities to achieve organizational goals. It encompasses decision making, resource optimization, leadership, and progress monitoring, making it essential for resource efficiency and goal attainment. Management practices are shaped by various theories and models tailored to factors such as organizational culture and industry dynamics. In contrast, administration focuses on overseeing day to day operations, ensuring smooth implementation of policies and decisions made by management. Administrators manage schedules, facilitate communication, allocate resources, and resolve issues, playing a critical role in policy implementation and organizational coordination. While management provides strategic direction, administration handles the practical and operational aspects, further ensuring the organization's overall functionality and success. In smaller organizations, these roles may overlap, while in larger ones, they are often distinct functions.